Hi, my name is Shiva and I make Persian rugs for decoration purposes only. This thing you see here, it's been my work for the last 2 months. It's gonna have 180,000 knots. I'm gonna show you how I make it. And I have a show in October and I'll be happy to see you guys over there. Okay, so the first step is done. Every row takes me 2 hours to finish. And I've done most of the first row before I shot the video. Now cutting the extra wool. And here is my another row finished and done. Wish you to see you October 30th and 13th and 14th in Richmond Hill Heritage Center. Bye.